welcome back to the pink envelope. I have the exclusive and somewhat elusive Decocrated Editor's Box. This guy has been much awaited by the Decocrators, and it's finally here. I'm not gonna lie, I've already opened this, decorated with it, played with it, turned around, stuck it back in the box to open with you guys. I'm super excited to share this with you guys. So, the Decocrated Editor's Box is exclusive and for members only. It is $99.99 and it comes with 6 items inside. 5 of them are in-demand, highly loved items from past boxes, and then 1 brand new item that nobody has seen before. If you, hello crazy. If you are interested in ordering this box, I'm about to unbox the whole thing and spoil the whole thing. You will need to become a member first. So you can go down below and you can sign up for the Decocrated Spring box. Now let me tell you this, the summer box, like we swap over to Decocrated Summer on Monday, May 2nd. So if you want the spring box, you need to order before May 2nd. If you want the summer box, you can order May 2nd on. And if you use code PINKENVELOPE15, you get $15 off your quarterly or annual subscription. And the quarterly box means it comes 4 times a year, once a quarter. It's $79.99. And you can see every Decocrated past quarterly box here on my channel. Just go search Decocrated. I'll even link the spring box right here that is live right now for you to check out. So once you've signed up and you're an official Decocrator, welcome to the family. Go join all 3 groups on Facebook. It's a great little community. You can now go in and order this members only exclusive editor's box. So let me pull everything out of this box to share with you. I have all of the items also listed below if you want to check out the names and see what past box they are from. So on top, like always, we have the catalog. In here, it has information about the OneThrive systems. I love OneThrive. I have a system in my mudroom. I have a system here in my office. They are a great organization. I do have a coupon code, which I'll pop up here if you want to check out OneThrive to get your life beautifully in order before summer and kids get home. The system I have in the mudroom is for kids. It's fabulous. Then here is the editor's box, and inside here, like always, are all of the items in the box. It talks about them, it shows how to decorate with them, and it shows Decocrated shop items that go with them. We're not gonna play with that. Let me show you the Decocrated editor's box. So first is this item here. I already have it assembled, so we're just gonna pick it up. It is the 2-tiered tray. The 2-tiered tray came in the Decocrated Summer 2020. I already have done a full decorate with me, let's just put it that way, with this 2-tiered tray and my other 2-tiered tray. If you want to see that full, I don't want to say too much, that full setup, I release my Decocrated Summer 2022 full spoilers on Sunday, May 1st at 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you want to see how I'm gonna decorate with this tray, my other 2-tiered tray, and a couple of items from the Decocrated Summer box, make sure you subscribe to the channel and you turn on notifications so you don't miss it. This tray is fabulous because these trays actually come off and you can use them independently on their own. So if you don't want to use it in a 2-tier setting, you can use them like this. You also can use this thing for a myriad of things like dishcloths and dish towels can be hung over. You can hang a sign on this. It's just an A-frame, so it's very hackable, swappable, interchangeable. And then these guys look like this at the bottom. I know a lot of people have gone in and stained or painted the outer frame, and they have put wallpaper or contact paper down on the base to give it a little more oomph. It's just really an easy way to do a lot of things. And for me, I'm not like, I don't normally hack things. I will hack them once they get messed up. So like if well, my first tray still is in excellent condition, and I use it all the time. But let's say like somehow the kids put a marker on it, because just the other day the kids actually drew on the wall with a permanent marker on some fresh wood I just installed. Like I don't even know it's on the wall. Like I don't know what I'm gonna do. Anyways, let's say that they did that here. Then I would probably be inclined to put wallpaper or contact paper and hack it. So we have the two-tiered tray. We have the black lantern. This black metal lantern came in the spring, I wrote it down, spring 2020 box. I have used this guy in so many ways. Candles, flowers, signs, art. It's super cute with flowers coming out. And it's really beautiful with a set of candles inside. It really is versatile. I have a decorate with me I want to show you with this guy, like right now after this video. It's outside. I set the entire thing up and it started pouring rain. So we'll see if Jonathan could maybe help me have a creative way to show you just a cute way to use both of your chapels in a really fun manner. The next item I'm gonna pull out is something you guys have seen me use maybe in every single video. I use them quite often. These like denim blue, I don't even know what color to call them, set of 2 pillowcases. These pillowcases are absolutely amazing. They are from the Decocrated Spring 2020 box. They're, I don't know, there's just something about them. The color's universal, the material's excellent. I've had them outdoors on my patio couch. I've had them indoors on the indoor couch. I've had them on chairs. I've had them all over. And I think because they're a solid, kind of a neutral blue, they layer really well with just about anything. Because I've used them in fall with orange. I've used them at Christmas with reds and greens. I've used them obviously in spring. So this is just a set of those staple pillowcases everyone could love. I now have 4 of them, which is really freaking exciting because I've been rotating them from my indoor couch to my outdoor couch, and now I won't rotate anything. They will just each stay on each couch. So as you walk through my living room, you like pick up this color and then you walk out to the back patio and you pick it up again, and it has a really great balance in my opinion. And next is something I have needed. Like I've even been like trying to remember to get on the Decocrated marketplace and order one. The matching rug. So these two look super, super cute together. I have this rug at the back door. I have had this rug since summer of 2022 at my back door. And you guys, outside of basic stains, because kids are disgusting, that rug is in amazing condition. So I'm actually gonna put this guy at the front door, and I just have one of those anti-slip rug things underneath. You can just, I'll link it in the video below. And literally, you walk through the front door, you're gonna see this rug, you're gonna walk out the back door, and you're gonna see this rug. And once again, just reiterating a very balanced look throughout the home. I love it. And this rug is durable, it's great, it's been soaking wet, it's been muddified, it's been everything, and I just throw it in the washing machine. It really is awesome. And this next item, if you are not a Decocrater, is gonna seem a little rogue, but trust me when I say it's not. This next item has been one of the highest demand items, and if you get on Decocrated Marketplace, you can't even find these guys because they are in such high demand. So Decocrated included them in the editor's box. I already have these, of course, and I am beyond thrilled to get another set. The ceramic trees. I mean, I guess you could call them Christmas trees. They're just ceramic trees. I use them more in a winter feel than I do necessarily a Christmas feel. They are so cute. And when they came out, they truly went viral that year. Like, everybody was trying to get their hands on them. Then, of course, they sold out. And so I'm very happy to see that they are back. They are once again these neutral colors you're seeing here. So you can see now why leaving the pillowcases out through Christmas and this out through Christmas totally worked. They have a great texture, a great pattern, great colors. Absolutely love these guys. Let me show you this little one here. Aren't these so stinking cute? Love them. And then last but certainly not least is the brand new item. And I honestly didn't even know what to guess. I was like, I don't know. I don't know. I literally never even listed a guess. Several of y'all listed this item, and I was so shocked when I pulled it out, and y'all were all correct. A clock. I don't know if you guys saw in the background of something, or if you just know Decocrated better than I do, But this super chic clock, I absolutely love it. Very modern, but could totally go farmhouse as well, is here. And it does actually pivot and move. It's so cute, its little framed self. And it just takes the battery in back. Of course, battery is not included because if you guys ever try to get permits for batteries, it's like crazy. So when these boxes are like, I'm so sorry, we weren't able to include batteries. I'm like, I would have been shocked if you have included batteries because shipping's such a pain in the booty for things like that. And that's not what they do. So one single battery and you're ready to go on this guy. And this is all 6 items that are in the Decocrated Editor's Box. You're gonna see this guy make an appearance as well on Sunday for the Decocrated Summers box because I already have a shelf for him. So cute. Okay, I'd love to know what you think. Comment below and tell me what you're thinking about the Editor's Box. If you are new around here, this box is your jam. You're gonna be able to pick up the best items since 2020 in one drop. If you've been around since 2019, like me, you may be thinking, what am I gonna do with these items? I have had 0 problems optimizing all of these. Of course, these guys I'm gonna pack up and save for winter. But legit, already did a thing with this guy. Hoping to take you out to show you what I'm doing right now with this guy. This is going at the front door and this is going on the outdoor couch. Oh yeah, and this goes on the shelf that I'm gonna show you on Sunday. Literally, everything was placed that fast. And so I'm super, super, super pleased. I wanted to show you guys here in the catalog are a few of the ways that they use the 2-tiered tray. Isn't that so cute decorating it for each season? I decorate my whole house, but I have not done a good job of swapping out my tiered tray. And here's those same pillows. You can use an 18 by 18 or 20 by 20 pillowcase. I have those both linked below. It fits both. It just depends on how firm or not firm and how much of a karate chop you like in your pillow to decide which size you want to get. Here's that lantern like I was telling you. You can use it with candles, you can use it with greens, you can use it with florals. Super, super cute, super easy. And then they have the deco shop. So in here is the Decocrated shop. Right now it's for members only, and it's full of unique and cute items that you can shop that pair well with the items from your boxes. So items that pair well with this, then on Sunday we'll talk a bit again about items that pair well. And pair well with past boxes. So if you're like, hey, out of budget, cannot be doing the members only shop, then I'm gonna show you how to reuse past box items with your current box items to decorate. Okay, let's see if the rain's gonna stop my little baby style shoot. Okay, super quick, super simple. This is the piece that used to be in the entryway. More on that for the Decocrated summer box. But I just took both of these lanterns, got a cup of water, put fake flowers in there so they look real. Did that ×2 and put a little bit of pop of color for spring out here on this buffet, which is like literally right in the entryway of our back patio. And I had this deco shop basket and it has like, you know, a lighter for citronella candles and all the things that are not so cute hidden behind it. And yeah, super quick, super easy, super chic. And these guys could be used in a million ways now that there's actually a pair of them and you can design in sets. Well, despite the rain, I still feel like y'all got a little bit of a glimpse of my little patio section in there. Of course it would rain when I want to play outside. You guys, if you've not already, literally up next, like in a couple of days, is Decocrated Summer 2022 full spoilers. And then a couple weeks after that is Decocrated's new Americana box, which they release each year, and the brand new Americana box plus. Wish I could tell you more. You're just gonna have to subscribe to find out because those are all coming in the next couple of weeks and it's going to be so much fun to unbox those and decorate with those. So if you have not subscribed to the channel because all the good stuff is happening there, if you want to dive deeper and really talk about the items, trade items, swap items, get all the good stuff, join the Ask the Pink Envelope exclusive Facebook group. Fabulous group of people hanging out there, and we are playing with home decor all day, every day, plus other cool subscription boxes. So join us, link down in the description. I hope that you are having an absolutely amazing day, and if you subscribed, I'm gonna see you very, very soon. Bye, y'all. Okay. play outside now.
You gonna go for it?
I don't know. That's your job. My job is to play. Your job is to be responsible. I want to play.